Hey y'all, Bear here. Look, if you've watched some of my videos, you'll notice that I like to utilize a brand called Harmony House sometimes for some of my ingredients. They make a bunch of different dehydrated vegetables. These two are two that I already had, vegetable soup mix and their Italian vegetable soup mix. Set these to the side. I recently placed an order with them and got a few more things. I'll put a link to their website down below. I don't get anything for it, but if you want to try some of their products, there it'll be for you. Also, if you're more comfortable with Amazon, you can go to Amazon and look up Harmony House and order it off of Amazon also. So what I got, a couple things here I'm really excited about. I've got this tomato powder. See there? I'm really excited about this because I'm going to be able to make some tomato sauces and stuff with it. Use it all kinds of different ways. You can make it in a really thick concentration like a tomato paste, or you can thin it out and make a sauce out of it. Matter of fact, they have a sauce recipe on their website. You can go, when you go to their website, this is another thing, is like they have these pages here, and in this case this is the tomato powder, and this is all of its nutritional information for you, your storage and shelf life. Now they offer this in multiple sizes. They offer this in some smaller baggies, which is a fourth of this. I think they're 6-ounce bags. This is a 24-ounce bottle, and then they have gallon size, and then in a big bulk box that you can buy. Now the tomato powder, had I actually read about it a little more before I ordered it, I probably would have ordered the 6-ounce baggies at a little bit more of a cost, because they do say it's very it easily takes on moisture. That's what I'm trying to say. So I would have liked to have had those smaller sealed baggies, even though they cost a little bit more. It would have cost me $4 more than this for the same amount, but that way I would only open a smaller portion at a time. They suggest you put this in the refrigerator, and as a matter of fact, it's got one of those little do not eat packets in there to help absorb moisture now. So I got that tomato powder, Harmony House. The other thing I got from them is this box right here. This is an assortment box, and you can buy stuff all kinds of different ways from them. You can buy them individually like this, and like what I did here, I bought these individually, or you can buy some assortments that they have put together already. Hey, look here, here's a tip for you. When you're opening your boxes like this, cut your tips, your edges of your box, then pick up on the box. And you see how I'm holding down on the knife tip? Okay, that way I just go in far enough to score the tape off. I don't cut what's inside. A lot of packages get messed up that way. So let's see what we've got. Oh look, here's an ad for their deluxe sampler. It's got 30 of their most popular products. I might have to take them up on that. I really like their products. And this is what I ordered. Their beans and legumes sampler. Beans and legumes. We've got lentils, split peas, red beans, black beans, navy beans, great northern beans, dark red kidney beans, and pinto beans in here. And what excites me about this is these are cooked and then dehydrated. So unlike taking dried beans with you, where you have to soak them all day and carry them around in that water while you're hiking, these are just ready to go in and cook up. Let's see here. See if we can't open this guy up. And show you what we've got on the inside. Let's see. Here it is. It opens this way. This way it opens. This is it. It's got one of those really deep lips. Whew. Hope it tough to open. Alright, so it comes with these little baggies. That's our northern beans, our black beans, our pintos, navy beans, kidney beans, red beans, some split peas, and some lentils. And you know, like I said, all these are already cooked and just dehydrated, so they're a whole lot faster cooking for us at camp, and we can make our own meals. That way you can control the sodium that's going into it. One thing I'll say about Harmony House is understand that it is just the vegetable that is dehydrated. There's no seasoning or anything like that in there. So if you just pour this into a pot and cook it up and eat it, it's going to be very bland. So you need to season it just like you would cooking any other dish at home when you're starting from a raw ingredient. And that's the way all our vegetables are, okay? So just, you know, don't make that mistake of thinking you're gonna just pour these in and I'll have awesome beans. It's just the bean. Take your garlic, onion, and ham hock and all that good stuff. So there you go. I just wanted to show you really quick something I've ordered. I'm excited to use out on the trail. And one thing I noticed when I was on their website is at a $100 price point, Harmony House just kicks in the shipping to you. So even if you don't want $100 worth of stuff, grab some of your friends and y'all go in together and order something. That's what my friends and I do. If one of us wants something, I've got a little group of us, and there's a place to get the free shipping, we'll kind of blast it out there and see if anybody else is interested in the item, and then we can come together and place an order, and we can get to that free shipping point, and everybody can save a little bit of money. But there we go. I'm looking forward to using these, and we'll see you on the trail.